You guys remember my son Elliott?
Hi.
And we are going to be doing 3 of the the science projects together. So we're going to be doing remove a shell off the egg with vinegar. We're going to be doing oil, water, color, and alka-seltzer again. That one's so fun. And the one on the 8th, on June 8th, is oil, water, and multicolor food coloring. So those are the 3 projects we're going to do. Okay, so first, we're going to start with the one on June 8th. Oil, water, and multicolor food coloring. Okay, so let's see, Elliott, you need 3 colors. You need primary colors. If you have more, that'll work, but you want at least the primary colors for this. And just, I would say maybe like 3 drops each. We'll see. I know with the alka-seltzer experiment, less food coloring is better. I'm not sure about this one though. I'll do the blue.
No, I'll do the red.
Okay. It's okay. There you go. You want to mix it together and see. Do you guys remember when we were painting in school what color it would make when we would mix all the colors together? Yeah, I think we need more.
We're supposed to mix this in water.
What?
I'm pretty sure you're supposed to mix this in water. Then you poured it.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
No, I remember. Okay, you put it in the oil. A little scientific fact, oil and water, they do not mix. Okay, that's a lot. Let's try. Mix, 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 mix. Not quite enough, is it?
Wait, is it supposed to show like black?
Yeah, it's supposed to get dark. So you want it to where it looks blackish brown. So I'm going to put more. Huh?
It's not how you do it.
What do you
gotta put it in the water because those mix. Then you poured it.
I promise I remember how to do the science experiment. Because remember, it looks like they all mix up, but then when they come into the water, they separate. There we go.
Yay.
We're getting it. Okay, so this is going to take quite a bit of food coloring. Now we are going to pour the oil in the water, and I'm going to hold it up so that you can see what's happening. Can you see what's happening?
Nothing's happening.
Yeah, there it goes.
Oh, yay!
So, what colors do you see going into the water? Yep. And the reason why the colors coming out are not brown is because food coloring is in a water base. So even though it looks like those colors mix up and make brown in the oil, that's only the way that they look. The colors never actually mix. They stay separated. And that's why you see each one of them going into the water. That is so cool. Excuse me. Colors are just all falling out of the oil into the water.